Are your knives making food prep harder than it should be?
Hey Ming Tsai with the Aero knife, light as air, cuts like a razor, and food slides right off. Even with a $50 chef knife, it cuts, but food sticks like a magnet. The Aero knife has holes. 60% less surface area means less friction. It cuts twice as smooth and food doesn't stick. You want to cut the cheese? With an ordinary knife, you have to push hard and cheese sticks to the knife. With an Aero knife, no force, strength, or pressure, and the cheese falls right off. The blade is laser cut forged stainless steel, tough enough to hack up this 2x4, yet sharp enough to have a tomato. For poultry, it's the best. You get a clean, smooth cut each and every time, all the way through. These are boiled potatoes. Watch this. With an ordinary knife, it crushes the potato. It sticks to the blade, it makes a mess. But with the Aero knife, less surface area, almost nothing sticks to the blade. Perfect slices every time. It's even tough enough to cleanly cut this New York strip without sticking. You've got to try to believe it. Slices so thin you can even read a newspaper through them.